In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 21, exercise 14.1, probability. Observe this question. A load consists of 144 ball pens. We are having what? 144 ball pens, which 20 are defective and the other are good. In 144 ball pens, we are having 20 defective ball pens and other remaining are what? Good ball pens. Clear? What about its solution? In the question, we are having total number of ball pens equal to 144. Total number of ball pens we are having 144, in which in 144 defective ball pens equal to 20. Defective ball pens 20. So what about the good ball pens? What about good ball pens? Good ball pens will be what? Total we are having what? 144. In a lot we are having 144 ball pens, in which 20 are what? Defective. So 144 minus 20 we are getting, once we subtract, then we are getting 124. What? 124 ball pens are what? Good. Clear? Now Nuri will buy a pen. What? Nuri will buy a pen if it is good. If ball pen is what? Good, then Nuri will buy, but will not buy if it is defective. Defective one, then Nuri will not buy. Buy only when it is good. Clear? The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it? She will not buy it. She will buy it when? If ball pen is what? Good. So probability, now first one, she will buy it. What is the probability? She will buy it. Probability of buy a ball pen. When she will buy ball pen? If it is a good one. So we know well, probability of an event equal to number of favorable outcomes divided of total possible outcomes. So in this case, total possible outcomes, in the lot of ball pens we are having 144. So total possible outcomes will be what? 144. Clear? Buy a ball pen. When she will buy a ball pen? If it is good one. So good ball pens we are having 124. So number of favorable outcomes will be what? 124. Solve this one. 6 times it is going. 2 times it is going what? 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4. Now it is 7 times, 2 times, again from 2, 3 times, 1 time, and this will be what? 3 times and 6 times. So what will be the answer? 31 upon 36. This is required probability. This is the answer for the first one. She will buy it. When she will buy it? ball pen is what? Good. Clear? It is given in the question. Now second one. What about the second one? She will not buy it. This is the probability of buy a ball pen, and once we subtract this one from 1, then we are getting answer of second one. Or directly once we use the formula, then we can say probability of not buy a ball pen. Not buy a ball pen. When she will not buy a ball pen? If pen is what? Defective one. So number of favorable outcomes will be what? Defective ball pens, or we are having 20 defective ball pens, divided of total possible outcomes 144. Probability of not buy a ball pen. She will not buy a ball pen. She will not buy a ball pen if it is defective one. So defective pens will be what? Number of favorable outcomes divided of total possible outcomes, in which we will use total number of ball pens. Solve this one. 10 times 7 2 72 times 5 times 36 times. So we are getting 5 upon 36. This will be what? Required probability for this case. Observe simple question. What we are doing in this question? We are having one load, and in which we are having 144 ball pens. Clear? Now in these ball pens, 20 ball pens are what? Defective ones. So total number of ball pens we are having 144. Defective ball pens we are having what? 20. So remaining what? Good. So good ball pens will be what? 144 minus this one, we are getting 124. Now two questions we are having. She will buy it and she will not buy it. But one condition is there. Noori will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is a defective. So now first question is saying what? She will buy it. When she will buy it? If it is good one. So probability of buy a ball pen will be what? Number of favorable outcomes divided of total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes, in which we will use total number of ball pens, and we are having 144. Now probability of buy a ball pen when she will buy, if it is good one. It means good ball pens we are having 124, and this one is what? Number of favorable outcomes. So 124 divided of 144 will be what? Required probability. Once we solve, we are getting what? 31 upon 36. Clear? Now she will not buy it. When she will not buy a ball pen? Once it is what? Defective one. It means number of favorable outcomes will be what? Defective ball pens. So 20 divided of total possible outcomes, in which we will use total number of ball pens 144. Once we solve, we are getting 5 upon 36. This will be what? Required probability not buy a ball pen. Simple question. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.